Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simons, and today I'm going to walk you through today a Premier pontoon. This is the Premier 230 Solaris. This is one of the higher end models in the Premier lineup. Lots of different extras with lighting and electric bimini and a few other things. So we'll walk through this Premier 230 Solaris. We're going to start with the side. Love this color. This is a nice dark, rich blue that you can see on here. And then we do have the rail lighting. Hopefully you can see that. You can change the color to pretty much whatever you want. Obviously we have blue, so we kept it with blue. This is a tri-tune. This is their PTX technology. This boat rides like a boat. It does not ride like your pontoon that you might know of. Really cuts deep into the water, into turns, so a lot of fun to drive too. Back at the back here we have a nice ski tow bar. You can see with the lighting package, it actually gets into the top, into here as well, and then we got the nice logo. Lighten that up, looks really cool. On the back we got the Merc. So Mercury, this is the V8 250 horsepower engine. Comes with the stainless steel prop. Super quiet, super efficient, tons of power for this 23 footer. So a lot more to see on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior. So the layout that we have here is called RL, rear lounging seats. So we got a nice center walk through here. You've got seating on both sides here. You've got two captain's chairs side by side, and then more seating in the bow. So we'll start back here though. You've got the nice seating here. Underneath here is a changing room. We got some storage. Really cool that I like is a phone holder. They're on both sides. Just stick your phone right in there. Keeps it out of the sun, keeps it out of the elements. And as we're looking down here, this boat is equipped with JL audio. JL is the top of the line for your audio. So we got a JL head unit, and then we've got speakers throughout the boat along with the subwoofer right there. So a lot going back here. Before I go here, I just want to point out we got the electric bimini. So there's a button up at the helm that you press that button, and this whole thing will go up electrically, and then you can press the button and it'll go back down. So super easy to use and pretty popular. We get a lot of people that really want the electric bimini. So up at the helm, we got the beautiful helm seat here. You got armrests that go up and down. This does recline. It'll go forward and back, and then we do have a bolster. So if you want to get up a little bit higher, you got the nice bolster seat right there. You can put it down. This is on a raised helm already, but if you do need a little bit more, you can. So up at the helm as well, here, I'll sit down. We've got the nice Simrad system in here. So you've got all the different lakes that you could go on. It's going to have their depths, going to have some sonar, a bunch of different things within that Simrad system that we can go through with you. We've got your phone holder right here that is also a phone charger, so wireless charging. We got our rail lights that we can turn on. This is where you move the bimini up and down. You've got nav and anchor lights. You got dock lights, your courtesy lighting throughout the boat as well. And then the other thing up here, you turn this on. I got a cup holder up here that's actually a cooled cup holder, so you can put your drink in there. It'll stay nice and cool just by pressing that button right there. So really like that, the way the helm is done. Got to have this. This is your garbage can receptacle area, so keep your clutter nice and taken care of in the boat. Being that's a tri-tune, I've got storage in the floor right here. That opens up. You can put a ski down there, whatever you want. It is kind of more of a wet area, so great option to have. And then again, we have the nice seating up front. You got storage underneath. You got cup holders up here. Just love the 230 Solaris. Again, 250 horsepower, 23 footer, electric bimini. I mean, this thing's got it all. So it is here at our Rogers location. So if you'd like to come take a look, you can call us, set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'd love to see you. As always, click the like button on this video, and then also click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out on a daily basis.